Okay, good morning everyone. I hope you are doing well, and today I'm going to tell you how to install ncbi-entrez-direct, a kind of tool or search engine to access the data from ncbi database. So it's kind of search engine like Google search engine. So we have a ncbi search engine or ncbi-direct search engine for ncbi database. So to access the data from the ncbi, we have to install the ncbi-direct utility to access the data. So let's get start to install the ncbi-direct. So first we have open the terminal, control RT command line, then we use to open the terminal, and then we have git update our system, sudo apt-update command. So it's a command to update your system or machine by using this command. So just enter, and everything get updated soon. Now we are going to install our ncbi-direct utility. So the command I write here, sudo apt install -y. The -y that we used to install our package without any interference, so that's why I am using here -y. So and next is ncbi-entrez-direct. Okay, so ncbi-entrez-direct here. So this is command that we use to install our ncbi-direct utility. So just enter. Okay, and after that, if you want to check your installation, so I have copied a script from the ncbi to check installation. So I just press and I get the installation status from the terminal. So yeah, it's installed. So the version we have 12.0 and xtract version is 12.0, and edirect installation status is okay. So yeah, that's it. So thank you all. I will put all the command in the description box so that you can able to install too. And next we will going to access the data like nucleotide data or protein data from the ncbi-direct search tool. So thank you for attention. Okay, that's it. Thank you.